That's what I'm talking about. Making a leftover dinner tonight. Leftover pasta, we got leftover Chinese, we got all kinds of crap from the weekend. Just reinventing it and trying not to waste money by turning it into another meal. I'm doing it cheap, I'm doing it white as shit. But they'll eat it, so go. Pasta, and I will put some of this chicken parm patty on top of the spaghettis. We're getting there, where we're at. And then I will put ribs in there, and it's gonna be a great leftover meal. Yeah, tonight's a leftover night.